Hey y'all, come on in. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of pickling. It's like this. Imagine your grandma's pantry stocked with jars of colorful, tangy goodness. That's the magic of pickling. It's a time-honored tradition, a blend of science and heart that lets us capture the peak freshness of veggies and enjoy them for months to come. And the best part? It's easier than you might think. We're going to explore how pickling not only saves your garden goodies from going bad, but also turns up their flavor and keeps all those good-for-you nutrients locked inside. Number 1. Let's start with the MVP of the pickle jar, the humble cucumber. There's a reason these green guys are a pickling staple. Their cool, crisp texture is practically made for soaking up all those delicious brine flavors. Whether you're a fan of dill pickles, sweet pickles, or those sweet and spicy bread and butter chips, cucumbers are the gateway veggie to the wonderful world of pickling. Next up at number 2, we're brightening things up with pickled carrots. These orange wonders add a satisfying crunch and a touch of sweetness to any jar. Imagine these little guys livening up your sandwiches, salads, or even just enjoyed straight from the jar. They're so delicious. At number 3, let's talk beets. Pickled beets might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but trust me, their earthy flavor and gorgeous color are a revelation. They're the star of the show on salads, a vibrant addition to cheese boards, or a tasty side dish all on their own. Number 4. Let's move on to a veggie that loves a good transformation: cauliflower. Pickling turns this blank canvas of a veggie into a flavor powerhouse. Those little florets soak up the brine like a dream, giving you a tangy, crunchy treat that's perfect for snacking or adding to salads and relish trays. Next up at number 5, we're giving those garden-fresh string beans the pickled treatment. No more mushy beans here. Pickling turns them into these snappy, tangy delights that are perfect for snacking. Add them to salads for extra zing, or serve them alongside your favorite sandwiches. They're so versatile. Now let's add some heat for number 6. Pickled radishes bring the zing. Their peppery bite mellows out in the brine, creating this wonderfully zesty flavor that brightens up any dish. Add them to tacos, sandwiches, or salads for a burst of flavor and a satisfying crunch. For number 7, y'all know I love a good Southern tradition, and pickled okra is about as Southern as it gets. These little pods might seem a bit unusual, but trust me on this one. The pickling process tames their texture and infuses them with this tangy, slightly spicy flavor that's downright addictive. Let's add a burst of color and sweetness to our pickle lineup at number 8 with bell peppers. Whether you love red, yellow, or orange, pickled bell peppers bring a sweet and tangy crunch to the table. They're fantastic chopped up in salads, layered on sandwiches, or even used to brighten up your favorite dips and spreads. Number 9. Let's talk onions. Pickling those pungent onions might seem surprising, but trust me, it's a game changer. The brine works its magic, mellowing out their sharp bite and transforming them into this sweet, tangy, and crunchy treat. And finally, at number 10, let's give a warm welcome to a springtime favorite: baby asparagus. Pickling these tender spears captures their delicate flavor and adds a wonderful tangy twist. Enjoy them on their own, add them to salads for a touch of elegance, or use them to garnish your favorite spring dishes. So there you have it, folks. 10 amazing veggies that are just begging to be pickled. Remember, the key to keeping those jars of deliciousness around for as long as possible is to store them right. Find a cool, dark spot in your pantry. Make sure those lids are sealed tight, and you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor for months to come. Pickling is all about experimenting and finding what tickles your taste buds. Don't be afraid to try different herbs, spices, and flavor combinations to create your own signature pickles. And who knows, you might just discover your new favorite way to enjoy those garden-fresh veggies. If you want more information, visit our full article linked in the description. If this content was interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Happy pickling, everyone! See you next time at Organic Homesteaders.